My name is I'm the National Sales Manager for FAKRO America. Today we're going to show you our new model, LMB, which is Insulated Metal Attic Ladder.
And here are the features and benefits of this model. Energy efficient with 3.7 R value, paintable insulated door, weather seal is included, 350 pounds weight capacity and non-slip steps. Universal fit from 7.8 to 10.3 feet. Handrail is also included. Door locking mechanism, no hanging strings. Springs are mounted into the door for wider entry clearance. Feet design allowing fine length adjustment after cutting. Door moved away from the ladder, adding extra room for footstep. Fully assembled, available in 3 sizes and 1-year warranty. This unit has the energy-efficient insulated door with R value 3.7. The door has a smooth paintable finish with sleek design. The weather seal is included for self-installation. During closing, it seals the door to avoid any air to go through. The weight capacity for this model is set at 350 pounds. Non-slippery steps for safe walking up and down. This ladder has a universal ceiling fit from 7.8 to 10.3 feet. It has to be cut upon installation to fit your ceiling height. Plastic ends are included to protect your floor. Pre-installed handrail is included. The springs are mounted into the door for wider entry clearance. This model comes with the optional set of feet that can be used to adjust ladder length after cutting. Both feet must be secured to the ladder with 2 screws. All FAKRO ladders are designed with safety and comfort in mind. Increased distance between the door and the ladder makes it safer to work up and down comparing to other brands. For quality control purposes, we mark each ladder with model and serial number.
This particular model, very easy to operate, very easy to close and open. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to close this model. All you have to do is just push it up. It comes with the control rod. So you just have to push it up to lock it. No hanging strings at all. To open it, very easy, lightweight pull down, as you can see. And then when you bring it down all the way, it will lock. So for safety, anything won't drop on you. So very easy to operate. Thank you for watching. To learn more about FAKRO products, please visit our website at fakrousa.com.